Mason Mooney said, do you think converting some Bitcoin to XRP is a wise decision? Yes, sir. I would think so right now.
XRP to Bitcoin?
Bitcoin to XRP.
I'm not a financial advisor. Man, XRP just ripped so hard against Bitcoin, though. Look.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, like we're at the halfway point from where we think Bitcoin's going. We're like,
right, of course.
You can only get 50% from here.
I'm thinking more like what is the best decision on a daily basis? Not like, is that generally a good move during this week if you have average prices?
Gotcha.
Right. What do I think is the date for the peak of alt season? Ooh, that's a good question, actually. You know what we could see? We could see Bitcoin fall short in the second half of the bull run, if there is a second half to it. It could fall short because people are putting money in the altcoins, and maybe the altcoins have their altcoin season during the second spike where Bitcoin doesn't hit an all-time high, 125K maybe. That sounds pretty good, right? So if you're looking at that, potentially, I mean, I think you're probably looking maybe around the summer. Maybe we have a late summer altcoin season after Bitcoin already tops potentially. Look, that's not for sure. Bitcoin could certainly double top. It could go to 120 and then have a big pullback and then head up to 140 at the end of the year or quarter three. That could happen too. I'm just giving you guys some options and some perspectives to think about. Okay, so we look at quant here, and I'm going to turn on my high Q. You guys don't forget to check out Phemex. Obviously, Phemex is our trading partner of choice. We've got links to them down below. We have some Phemex tutorials, videos coming out this week. So I hope you guys check that out. Are you on the lookout for a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that offers low fees and high security? With so many exchanges to choose from, it can be overwhelming to find the right one that meets all your trading needs. That's where Phemex comes in. Phemex is a top-notch crypto exchange designed to provide you with an exceptional trading experience. By joining Phemex using my affiliate link, you can enjoy a wide range of trading features, low fees, and robust security measures. Phemex prioritizes your security with advanced protection protocols, ensuring your assets are safe. Plus, their user-friendly interface makes trading a breeze, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. But that's not all. When you use my affiliate link, you'll also get access to exclusive offers and up to $8,800 in trading bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to trade on a platform that truly values its users. Click the link in the description to sign up for Phemex today. Start trading with confidence. Your journey to successful crypto trading, well, it begins now. Look, right now on the daily chart, on high IQ, we'll look at Market Cipher as well. It's actually in a short, it was in a short, and it hit a stop loss. So it looks like maybe a reversal here on the daily chart. It's just my opinion for quant. I'm out on quant. It's one I'm just out on. I'm out on all the ISO 20022 coins that were supposedly ISO 20022 coins, pretty much, except for XRP, at least how it has to do with actually that rollout and the messaging standard and things. It was built for XRP. XRP is the one who will get any of the market cap that comes because of some kind of ISO 20022 to messaging standard changes. However that might happen, XRP is going to be the only one that gets influx from that. And I think that I'm just out on a lot of these coins that are payments. XRP is one, and it will win. And I just don't know why you would bet on the other horses at this point. That's how I feel.
Take the leader. Take the leader.
Take the leader. Take the leader. Let me pull up Market Cipher real quick for my guy, because I said I would. Market Cipher B. Market Cipher video coming for you guys soon too. Okay, look, on the daily, you just got a red dot. Your RSI just peaked. I think this is something I bet we're probably seeing with a lot of coins maybe right now. Let's see. Let's look at Toncoin. No, not with Toncoin. Astar, one of my coins of the month. Not with it. Let's look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin red dot or anything, I didn't see it. Why didn't I have Market Cipher pulled up? Nope, not yet. But you can tell. You can tell. Carbon, right? You can tell it's topping out. It's topping out right now. You know, Ethereum's at 3,300. Like, I think Ethereum could look at that RSI on Ethereum up here down. You know, guys. It's time to short the market. I think just temporarily. I mean, let's not short the market and send it to zero. I just mean I think we have probably peaked out right here, and I would probably be looking at a short. Or that's actually not true. I would be looking for a pullback range to go long. Actually, it would be a little bit smarter in my opinion. So.